Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel 1-2 Steps. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to delete your in-game overlay in Steam. Now let's simply look at how to delete our in-game overlay. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply go to any game. Well guys, as you can see, this is the game for which I want to delete its in-game overlay. Now, all you guys have to do is click on the settings button right here, that is manage. Click on it right now. And from these options, all you guys have to do is shift right over to properties. This is it guys, this is the properties page. As you can see, there are many options like general, updates and everything. Well, from here, all you guys need to do is shift right over to privacy. Though there are lots of options, all you guys have to do is go to privacy right here at the bottom. And guys, this is it. From here, you can hide the games in the library, mark it as private. And the thing we want to do is delete our in-game overlay. Simply click on this delete button right here and give your confirmation. And guys, that is it. That's how you delete your in-game overlay data in Steam. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative. For more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.